Hey, Chelsey here, and welcome to another quick yoga workout. Today we'll be focusing on twisting and detoxing the body. All right, so we'll start down on the mat. You can keep the knees hip width distance, and from here, just kind of shift your weight forward. We're gonna start by tucking our toes. So make sure all the toes are underneath, even the little baby pinky toe. And then from here, we just sit up nice and tall. Find that breath, let the shoulders sink down. And we're really stretching the soles of our feet. Very important, they need a little care as well, supporting us throughout the whole day. So we'll just breathe right here. And on that next inhale, we'll take that right arm to the outside of that left leg and then continue to twist. So we'll take that left arm, exhaling, twisting, trying to look behind you and staying nice and tall. So keep twisting, breathing right here. And on that next inhale, just slowly come back. Exhale, settle back down. Other side. So inhale, slowly taking that left hand to the outside of that right knee. Exhale, reaching that right arm around the body. Twisting, taking that gaze behind you. And maybe nice and shallow breaths right here. And then again on that next inhale, slowly coming back. Exhale, settle back down. Beautiful. So from here, I'm gonna take my hands forward and you can untuck those toes, just tap them out. One more little tuck. We'll sit back on those heels. Now from here, taking the hands on the bottom of those heels. Exhale, bring the chin into the chest, and we'll slowly bring the top of the head onto our mat. From here, holding on to those heels, slowly press up into that back, into the sky, getting a nice stretch in the shoulders, along that spine. Nice breaths right here. Holding for 3, 2, and slowly bringing the hips back. Head back up, and again, shifting forward, tapping those feet out. All right, we'll stay in this down dog. No more tucked feet. From here, keep that left hand planted. Inhale, up nice and tall, taking that right hand, exhaling towards that heel. So once you get it all the way down, relax that shoulder, that head down. Breathe right here. Deep breath in and out. And on that next inhale, rise back up. Plant that right hand, we're gonna do the other side. So inhale, feel lengthen first. And then exhale, reach that left hand towards that right heel. Taking and relaxing that shoulder, that head down. From here, don't let those hips sway. So try and keep them nice and neutral over those knees. Again, inhale back up. We're gonna do it one more time. Exhale, lower that right arm down. Now from here, instead of keeping that hand planted down on the mat, option here is open up that chest and hook that hand on that thigh. So opening up that chest, keeping those hips neutral, breathing right here. Still finding that lengthen so we're not crunching in. Slowly untuck that hand, place it under the shoulders, inhale it back up. Other side, exhale, lower that left arm down. And then option, taking that right hand all the way up behind you, hooking it into that thigh and opening up those shoulders. Breathe right here. Embrace this beautiful twist. All right, slowly releasing that hand, place it underneath the shoulders, inhale the body back up. Nice, we'll walk the hands out in front of us. Untuck those toes into this beautiful plank position. Take an inhale here. Exhale, send the hips back. Down dog. So think of lengthening up through the spine and try to find that lengthen in the hamstrings as well. So lightly pressing those heels towards the mat. One deep breath in and out right here. On that next inhale, rise onto those heels, bend the knees, take the gaze towards those hands, step or hop it forward. From here, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale back down and then reverse swan dive all the way up. Exhale those arms all the way down. Beautiful. So settling the body right here, we'll begin our flow. So inhale those arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward, leading with that chest. If you like to slide those hands up, inhale, flat back. Exhale, take it down, step or hop it back. From here, shifting that weight forward, exhale, chaturanga down. Inhale up, cobra, and then exhale, down dog. Beautiful. If you need a little bit of movement in here, go ahead and take it. And then whenever you're ready, press those heels down. Inhale that right leg all the way up towards the sky. Really reaching and pointing through the toes. Now from here, just open up those hips by bending that knee and letting that heel drop. So still activating and pressing into those hands, but just slightly opening up those hips. Now from here, exhale, rotate that knee into the chest and step it forward, runner's lunge. From here, engaging those inner thighs, take a twist towards that bent knee. Again, lengthening through the crown of the head. Now from here, pressing into the feet, feeling nice and stable. Inhale, reach that right arm all the way up. Coming into this twisted stance. Now from here, we're gonna drop that right arm all the way down and reach it up, crescent lunge. So still activating those inner thighs, staying nice and stable in those legs. Rotate and open, warrior two. Pressing the hands down. From here, flip that front paw. We'll reach it all the way back, reverse warrior. Option to place the hand on that leg or again, twist behind you. Opening up that chest. Beautiful, release, cartwheel those hands back down. And then step it back, down dog. Again, pedaling out the feet, finding that breath again if you need it. And then on that next inhale, lengthen through that spine, exhaling, pressing those heels down. And then inhale that left leg all the way up towards the sky, pointing through those toes. Open up that hip by bending that knee, letting that heel fall. Still finding this lengthen here. Exhale, rotate knee into chest, step it forward. From here, take that twist, activating those inner thighs. You can take that gaze up towards the hand. It'll really help with stability. So really pressing into that foot. Inhale, we'll reach that left hand all the way up towards the back. Coming up. Now exhale, drop that arm down, crescent lunge. From here, nice and stable, open up warrior two, press and lengthen through the fingertips. Flip the front palm, lengthen all the way back, reverse warrior. Again, option, taking that back arm around the back and hooking it. Really reaching up and back with that left arm. Last breath right here, and cartwheel those hands back down. Step it back, down dog. From here, try and press those heels down to start with. Exhaling it all out. Inhale, shift that weight into a plank. Begin your flow. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale up, cobra. And exhale, down dog. From here, press on to the toes, bend the knees, take the gaze forward, step or hop it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. If you like to slide along those legs, exhale it back down, and then reverse swan dive all the way up. Exhale, pressing those hands back down. All right, no standing pose this time, but we have a surprise little detox. So our last flow, take your time, use that breath to movement. Here we go. Inhale all the way up, reaching through the fingertips. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, slide those hands up, flat back halfway. Exhale, take it down, step or hop it back. Inhale, shifting forward. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Now from here, lengthen and we'll slowly drop onto our knees, tabletop. So from here, just take a nice seated position. We'll bend this left foot all the way in, bringing that foot toward that right glute, and then squeeze that right foot in next to it. Find a lengthen in that spine. Take that right arm all the way up, placing the armpit on that knee. We'll continue by placing the palm of the hand on the bottom or the sole of the foot. And this is just releasing anything that body doesn't want or doesn't need. So keep breathing through this. Your body's doing all the work for you. And we'll hold for 3 more seconds. Finding that breath, keeping both sits bones down. And on this last little breath, easing that foot off, we'll slowly undo that hand. Take that arm all the way up. Exhale, reach it all the way back behind you. Getting a little twist in that shoulder. And then as we inhale, I'm crossing it across the body, pressing that shoulder down. Just add a little wrist circles and reverse them. Beautiful. Shake it out, other side. So right foot as close as you can to that left hip, and then we'll bring that left foot as close as we can to that other foot. Now from here, I'm holding on with my right arm and reaching my left one all the way up towards the sky. Planting that armpit onto the knee, continuing wrapping the palm underneath the sole of the foot. Now from here, you can stay here or press those toes, that foot into the ground, lengthen up through the spine, and just breathe. So holding here, continuing that detoxification on the other arm, and just giving our body some self-love. So again, holding for 3 more breaths. You can ease off of the tension or apply a little bit more. And slowly releasing, undoing that arm. You can take that leg down, just reaching that arm all the way up and taking it behind you, getting a little twist, a little stretch in that front chest and shoulder. And then slowly bringing it across the body, hooking that arm, keeping that shoulder down, little wrist rolls. Nice, and reverse them. Beautiful, just shake it out. I really hope you enjoyed this class. Remember, drink some water since we did a lot of detoxing and twisting, and I will see you next time.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. Available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.